Today we will see how to fix Gmail notification if it is not working on your iPhone. Here we see that any notification is not showing on Gmail app. So today I am going to fix it. Open settings, notification, scroll down to Gmail and check if the notification is turned off. So allow notification and also check time sensitive notification if required. If it is already turned on, then turn it off and turn on again. If still it's not working, please follow next steps. In settings homepage, scroll down to application in case it is Gmail. Then turn on background app refresh. Next in settings, general, background app refresh and check settings. If it is selected only Wi-Fi, then it will work when you are in Wi-Fi network. Next, check for software update. If there is any pending software update, so please update it. Then you can try with reinstalling Gmail app. Removing Gmail app, you may need to reconfigure email again. So make sure you have the Gmail password. Next, reset all settings. Settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Basically it will reset all settings, no data will be removed or deleted. That's all. Hope those troubleshooting tips will help you. If you are still facing, write down on the comment below. Please like and subscribe if it is help you. Thank you.